ओरे रावण लंका का साजन जो भी वचन दिया मर के उसमें जिया ओरे रावण. I've literally gone after people who I connect with musically and aesthetically, and therefore they always call me for songs that are like custom made or tailor made for me.
आज हमारे साथ में है शिल्पा राव, द वुमन जिसको किसी इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. आई मीन बॉलीवुड से सबसे बड़े हिट्स इफ इट हैज कम फ्रॉम वन वुमन देन दैट हैज टू बी शिल्पा राव. शिल्पा, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन योर न्यू सॉन्ग.
Thank you so much. You're looking awesome. Like I said, your earrings are looking like cherry on the top. Beautiful.
अरे वाह, my favorite kind of people are जो इंटरव्यू ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स के साथ शुरू करते हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स not only your music but आपकी यही अदा है जिसकी वजह से all your audience आप पर फिदा है because they can see through that you're a very nice and a lively person. So also congratulations on your new song. I mean lockdown तो सबके लिए has been a period of lying low but definitely not for you. I think I want to not only hear the song from you, I also want to know कि भाई किस तरह से ये जो दशहरा स्पेशल सॉन्ग है ये कैसे हुआ?
So it's actually a Durga Stuti which I had learned and heard as a kid. The very brilliant herself, Begum Parveen Sultana ji, who's India's, like we're proud to have her as not just a vocalist, a classical vocalist, but also a strong woman in her right. To be one of the very few female classical vocalists that we have in India. And she sang this Durga Stuti and she's so famous for it. And I had the good fortune of seeing her live on the stage as a kid growing up in Jamshedpur, and I felt this was a great time to actually portray this because the other the main reason to do this is there is a sort of a uprising in women through the world. If you see, there are women from all across the planet who are not fighting for rights. They're just saying that like we exist in brilliance in the way we are, and that is what Ma Durga stands for. She has all the 10 emotions that you can ask for, ranging from the good to the bad. So I'm saying that, in fact, just today I put out a post, saying that the Shera is over, but the whole point is that we women need not to be put at a pedestal nor be downtrodden. The whole point is to see each other as equal human beings and love and respect each other, and to not expect women to also be the giver and also be generous and to do the work and be lovable and pretty and come on. I mean, we can look haggard, we can be exhausted because and we can have an opinion and we should. So that is the whole purpose of actually putting out this, not also to remind myself and remind everyone that women are as beautiful and lovable and mortal as anyone.
Right. Well, that's that song जो आपके YouTube channel पर है and we've already seen आपको किस तरह से उस पे आपके fans react कर रहे हैं. But there's another song जिसको आपने अमित त्रिवेदी के साथ collaborate किया है. रावण movie का ये गाना है, which is a Dussehra special song, or it's called Dussehra song. क्या है? What is this song all about?
Well, it's quite a it just happened very no planning, कुछ भी नहीं. मैं अमित के स्टूडियो पे थी, हम लोग शाबाश का रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे. First day पे was Balki sir was there and Amit was there, Amitabh was there, and we recorded the song and okay, bye, ciao, हो गया गाना. The next day I'd gone in to kind of change a line or something like that, and it was just like, you go to a doctor and you ask a door knock question. In the same way, Amit like, listen, there's this song, just listen to it and just react to it, like just see what comes to you. So I heard the song, I wrote down the lyrics and went to the mic, and it was just like 1 or 2 takes max, and that's how Ravan happened. This was a very instinctive, very spontaneous reaction of mine to the song.
Right.
That's what I sang and recorded, and yeah, Amit said, "Oh, this works for the song," and here we have Ravan for all you guys, and you guys are tripping on it, so yeah, mission accomplished.
But yeah, mission accomplished. But here's the thing कि जब भी हम किसी एक्टर से बात करते हैं, हमको नहीं कह सकते कि अच्छा वो वाला सीन एक्ट करके दिखाइए. But with the singer, the twist is also always that कि we can always place a request and be like कि अगर हम गाने के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो क्या आप गुनगुनाएंगे? And I feel like I'm gonna take that.
But sing those two lines, which many of my fans keep asking me. We don't know what language it is, and what are the lines, what are the lyrics, and there are so many misheard lyrics, like versions I get from fans. But the actual version is this. Ore Ravan, Lanka ka sajan, jogi vachan diya, mar ke usme jiya. Ore Ravan, Lanka ka sajan, jogi vachan diya, mar ke usme jiya.
Yeah, live performance during a lockdown. हम इससे ज़्यादा और क्या expect कर सकते थे? Well, talking about your project, सिर्फ ये दो गाने नहीं है. Shilpa, you've also collaborated with this very talented singer Anushka Shankar. And ये जो international collaboration आपका हुआ है, इस बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Well, it's my first step to I don't know what's the next route in life, but my first international collaboration with Anushka, and this happened last year. I was in London for a concert, and we thought of collaborating on a song. So it's actually a first of a lot of things, because it was my first recording in London, my first release from UK, from a UK label, Mercury Records. It's a dream come true, and to be that song got noticed by a lot of people, a lot of London artists who I've been a huge fan of growing up, and yeah, so all said and done, it was a great a step for me in every which way. So again, a huge thank you to all the audiences to show so much love for it. And,
but you know how it goes. Every time we talk about a song, there's a request कि क्या गुनगुनाएंगे.
Yeah, here we go. It's a very simple song, but it's in Hindi, Punjabi. I wanted to stick to where I come from, so here we go. Yaar, yaar, teri yaar, has de te rulaandi, कारवां मुड़ के रवां होवे रवां तेरी यार तेरी यार तेरी यार.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Shilpa, I've heard you say कि जब भी आप किसी गाने को record करते हैं, right? It's a process where you personally sort of enjoy it and record it. लेकिन उसके बाद then what happens to the song depends on the world. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने गाना record किया है, but you had an inkling, and it wasn't appreciated with the world as much as you expected it to be. Like one of those gems that's been like a lost gem.
The only instinct I've always had, even with my first song Tosa Naina up until now, is that when I first hear something, the first instinct is whether I connect with it, and the next verdict is that it will turn out to be a beautiful song, which I felt for, of course, Tosa Naina. Khuda Jaane was completely terrified by listening to it because it's such a difficult song, and I thought I wouldn't be able to sing it. But then Vishal, Shekhar, Anvita, and Siddharth, they were like so angelic and like helped me sing it, and it became what it became. But all said and done, everyone who works with the song has a little instinct about it. my instinct usually is about whether the song will turn out to be a beautiful song or not, something which people will remember,
enjoy,
even after the release is done, and it will linger on for years, and usually I'm right.
And we can see that with your career. I think you have that innate ability to only put your money, or I should rather say, put your voice onto some of the hit numbers, and you're definitely gifted in that area. We have to say, but कभी ऐसा हुआ है, कभी कैसे किसी uncomfortable situation में आए हो जब some big director or like a lyricist who's very excited about a song वो आपके पास लेकर आए हैं, but you haven't felt it? Like, have you ever turned around and be like, नहीं, ये मेरा गाना नहीं हो सकता?
Well, ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है, because मैंने भी उन्हीं के, like, मैं क्या कहूँ, when I was in college, मैं उन्हीं के पीछे पढ़ती थी फोन कर करके कि जिनके साथ मुझे काम करने का बहुत मन करता था, and I used to feel that I can connect with these people. For example, people who I used to call was maybe Rahman sir or Vishal Bharadwaj ji or Vishal Shekhar, Preetam, Mithun. Of course, Mithun and I are of the same age, so it was a much more like a simple, give and take and relationship with him. But then, like I said, I've literally gone after people who I connect with musically and aesthetically, and therefore they always call me for songs that are like custom made or tailor made for me.
Right.
That it's impossible to refuse, because they're so good. So I've never had any situation where the changes that we do is these lyrics, if we can
how do you better that? How do you tweak that?
Better that, or you scanning को उसको कैसे better कर सकते हैं? Like मैं इसको flow में गा रही हूँ तो उसको थोड़ा इस तरह change कर ले कि इस word पे ज़्यादा जोर ना दे, इस word पे ज़्यादा जोर दे दे, because words I can't change. That is not my my job or my say. I'm not in that capacity to do that, because it's the lyricist's job, it's his vision or her vision to do so. So that I don't say anything about, but like for example for Gundu, I had a little idea of doing a stack of harmonies for the main chorus for Gundu. And Vishal said, karte raho, and it became a big stack, and he kept it, and that's when you hear the song, you can hear it. So it's fun to work with such people who have an open mind about things, and and therefore they shine and they let you shine. So that's how it works.
Right. But Shilpa, you came to the industry कम से कम एक decade से ऊपर हो चुका है, right? कभी ऐसा लगा कि आपको स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज करनी पड़ी इस इंडस्ट्री में कि इस साल में इस चीज पर फोकस करूंगी, या इस साल में किसी और चीज पर फोकस करूंगी? Is there a goal for 2020, and have there been strategies that you felt like you had to navigate through?
Well, I am not much of a strategy person. I don't do strategy, but I'm more of someone who's go with the flow. But yes, there's a big hunger for work, for good work, and that I keep chasing. That I've never dropped, even.
Right.
But when I look back, day one se lekar abhi tak, I still have that kuchi nervous feeling before going to a recording. It's a very important thing for me. I'm not used to it even now. I still feel afraid and anxious before I go in front of the mic to sing a new song, because it's that important to me, and it's that what do you call it? Like an what's the right word? It's a special thing that day. Like अगर मेरी recording है, मैं उस दिन कुछ और नहीं सोच भी नहीं सकती. For me, it's an important focused day for me. So that I definitely have. There are certain routines that I follow which I do not compromise on when it comes to my riyaz, when it comes to taking care of my voice. These strategies will never fail you, so therefore I definitely count on them. But yeah, when it comes to my professional work, this is obviously music, which I love to do, but professional work as in the way you are presented in front of people, the way you for example, even right now, with this whole conversation that we're having, I have a great team behind me who's working relentlessly every single day to make every day better, and thanks to all of them who make me look good, who make me sound good, and so that's the only strategy. I pick people who I connect with, who I love, and I love to work with. So that's the only strategy.
Yeah. Fantastic. But this has been quite a year. I mean, lockdown has been quite an experience for everybody. What was lockdown like for Shilpa Rao?
Well, you have all the 5 stages that everyone goes through from
what is that denial?
You first deny. You first deny. No. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Then you panic. Then you get depressed.
This anger.
Then you start bargaining, and the last stage is acceptance. I think we've already achieved that. We have accepted this fact that the whole world is in a stop. It's paused for a bit, and so when everything is paused, your mind still can keep working, and you can feel for each other as human beings, and see the finer things, see the smaller things, see the joys in life, and pretty much that's what I'm going through. And adding to this is just that people who are locked at home with their parents, with their family, I think are the luckiest people. So please make the most of
that.
Yeah.
Absolutely. How well said. How well put, Shilpa. I also feel for every situation there's a perfect song, and we want to know if Shilpa Rao has a perfect song for these scenarios. One would be, of course, lockdown. Do you have the perfect song for the lockdown?
One song for the lockdown.
और the
अरे यार वो गाना तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा बैठता है इस पे.
कौन सा?
तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए.
Oh wow.
Yeah.